number of the distinct values also is going to be appear with it. So yeah, basically it tells about to understood what are the different distinct values we had, or what is the average kind of the results at the end. So by using this, any kind of the values results is going to be very helpful. And also we have some standard mechanisms you want to be multiply or addition. Suppose I need to add at two different columns. If suppose I just click on this one column and also other column. So yeah, you can see here, if I click on the sales and also the discount, so eventually you want to be add with corresponding multiplication by with some parameter. So I want to multiply with some other parameter with it consisting of 2 for all the values. You can see here it will multiply and give the some new column here. So add 0.8 and 0.4 with corresponding to different values. So this is very helpful whenever you do some of the calculations with the statistics and also the standard edge and also the scientific calculations. You want to be get the some absolute value. So if I click on the discount, want the absolute value for this. So it will give the all the absolute values with respect to that. You can see. And also you want to be encounter with the power square or root or power cube, any kind of thing, and also the square root and exponential or algorithm or the factor. Okay. So this simple basic operations that is count, and also the see basic some scientific calculations also we're going to be see. Yeah, trigonometry operations also we can perform by using the sine wave or the cos wave you want to be specifically mentioned at the time of your requirement. And also it basically tells about sine of theta corresponding some degree rotation at the time you have some of the degree kind of the values. And also rounding up some of the number whether rounding up with some of the values with corresponding the information we want to be showcased. So if you need any help, and also that gives some of the is the eat or not. If I just click on this value, I will go and see this is a is or not. So it's going to be basically tells about this is a even or not. So yeah, you can see a true or false conditions is going to be gives whether it's a even or not. It's going to be give the results. So basic simple operations is very helpful while doing some of the any information filtering with respect to the transform tab. So transfer form is very useful once you are familiar with some of the information, then it's going to be very eventually truncating any kind of the values you want to be specifiedly understood about that. And also we have some different columns such as date, time, and duration. Let's play around with that. So we have a table with consisting of a date and also some client along with you can say the sales in medium, right? So by using the date, you can see these dates are enabled here. So if I click on a date, I will generate the age also. I will generate the year of the start year and also the end year of the month and start of the month, end of the month, day in month and the name of the month and the month. If I suppose I want the name of the month, you can see here the main name of the month is considering all the Mays, right? So you can also see and extract some of the information with corresponding to the week and also the day of the week or day of the year, and earliest of the week, earliest of the year, and such as some operations. If you have time zone, you can also make there's some time zone with the corresponding to that. So that's also very eventual to get some of the operations with considering with the transformation tab. So I would suggest you go through this and practice further so that you will get some ideas and exploration with consisting of that. So feel free to reach out to me so that we'll get some ideas with respect to some other time only or the local time, how our the minutes or seconds you want to be specified or combined date and also the time. So basically it tells about to represent some of the calculations and also the some of the data type you want to be changed with considering with some other columns. Then we can go in that with the transformation that will be encountered with the Power BI transformation, very important to visualize the things much better. Thank you.